Hello guys, and welcome back to Styling with me. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did my daughter's natural hair. She's going out and I say let me just do this quick hairstyle and show you, just in case you want to make your daughter hair or even your hair, you're going for a simple outing. I hope you like this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do. Today's video is brought to us by MAHI Leather. They are specialized in quality bags for hairstylists and makeup artists. I've used some of their belt and their leather bag in my other video. This particular one is what I use to go for out when I'm going to style my private client. And the cool thing is it has my initials on it. Their bag is really comfortable and it's big, it's wide. I put all my combs, my blow dryer, everything inside. It's big enough to contain all I need for my outing. Guys, if you want to check this bag out, there's a link down in the description below. You will get 10% when you use the link ChrisBegs10.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spine. so